start off the week doing a quick observation lesson where you're going to be observing fossils. So we're going to investigate this question. How do fossils form? So we're going to start by looking at images of real fossils and making some observations about them. Now, you're probably not going to have a hand lens, but if you do, please feel free to use it. Magnifying glass might be helpful, but I don't think you need it. So you're going to follow these steps. And I know we're not working with partners, of course, but maybe you have somebody at home you could work with, whether you have a hand lens or not. So I'm just going to read through the instructions and then go over what I want you to do. You're going to, step one, observe your fossil image. If you have a hand lens, a magnifying glass, you could use that. And discuss it with whoever you're doing this with. If you're just doing it by yourself, then just think on your own what you notice. After you observe the fossil, it says to switch fossils with another pair. You're going to see a second image, and you're going to look at that image as well and observe that and discuss again with whoever it is you're doing the assignment with. All right, so the pictures are going to look like this. And let me just show you what I'm going to have you do. So I'm going to actually exit this presentation, and I'm going to go to an image that you're going to have. So I'm going to supply this on the assignment, and you're going to see these two images of fossils. So think about what you observe. So you're going to have a PDF file to look at. And then you're actually going to go to a Google Doc that I will also include in the assignment. And it's going to look something like this. So I just want you to complete this page, type in your name. So I would type Mr. Pearl. And again, you're going to see the pictures. I put them in the document so you could look again at them. And as I scroll down to the next page, we're going to see a couple of questions. So first of all, the first question is, what did you observe about the fossils? And you're going to type in your answer in this box below. So if you think I noticed it was a dinosaur, so you might want to type in, I saw a dinosaur. It had lots of bones. Those are my examples. I would like you to be more detailed than that, but whatever you notice. And then the second question is actually a few questions that are related. How do you think fossils form? What makes you think so? What did you see in the pictures that makes you think that? All right, so again, I'm going to type it in this box. So I saw lots of mud, right? So maybe mud has to do with it, has something to do with fossil formation. So maybe the mud created the fossil. So I would type that in. That's just my example. Yours could be more detailed. Now, that's not the end of it. What makes me think of it? I'm going to explain why I think it's the mud and what happened to the mud. Those are just some starter ideas. You could use my ideas or come up with your own ideas. So that's basically what I'm going to have you do today. Later in the week, we're going to follow up with another assignment where you're going to be using the simulation again. All right, I hope that those instructions were helpful to you. I look forward to seeing everybody's responses.